Welcome back to the Sweetie Nail Supply YouTube channel. We've got something really exciting today because our very own set of chrome powders is here. Introducing the Aurora collection. There are 8 chrome powders in this set, and they're so fun to work with. One of our favorite things is how versatile they are. On their own, they can be very soft, glowy, and subtle, but when we start layering them with other products, we get those really nice, magical, eye-catching effects on the nail. Each shade has its own uniqueness. You have yellow, orange, and reds that are warm and fiery, those blue shades that lean cool but are still vibrant, and we can't forget those pink and purple hues for when you want something soft yet bold. You've seen all the colors in this set, so let's go ahead and put them to some good use. We're going to show you 4 nail art designs that you can create with these chrome powders, so let's start with the first one. In order for chrome to stick, you do need a no-wipe surface. You can use a gel product that's made just for chrome powder, or apply a gel color of your choice, cure it, and then apply a thin layer of a no-wipe top gel, like this one here. After curing that layer, you'll have the perfect base for your chrome powders. For this design, we'll be using 2 chrome powders, but first, let's use bright magenta. Taking the applicator sponge that comes with the chrome powder, pick up a small amount because you can always add more later if you need it. We're placing this shade on the upper right-hand side and the lower left-hand side of the nail, and then kind of meeting towards the center. In the areas where you can still see that black showing, we're going to grab Stardust and the other side of the applicator sponge because we don't want to mix the colors just yet. We're going to press and rub in those areas until no more black is showing. Taking the smaller side of the applicator sponge, we're going to blend those colors together right in the center where they meet, so everything looks nice and smooth and there's no excess chrome on the nail. At this point, you can add a top coat and be done, but we're going to take it a step further and add a little extra sparkle here. We're using a gold liner and this Sweetie brush here to create a thin border around the nail. We're starting on one side and then we're going to swoop the brush around to the other side, leaving the bottom half of the nail empty. Once we're done drawing the border, we are going to cure it because it is a gel. After curing the gel liner, we are going to seal this design in by applying a no-wipe top gel. Cure that after applying a thin layer, and here is what design 1 looks like all done. For this next design, we're going to be using the Diami powder-free gel in white because we're combining chrome with texture. Since this is made to work with chrome, this does not require an additional layer of top gel, so we're going to cure it once we're done. Next, we're using this brush here in a thick, clear gel to create those textured lines. Pick up a little bit of product, line the edges of the brush with the bottom half of the nail, and then pull towards the tip. We're repeating this process from left to right, making sure to fully cover the nail with those textured lines. Don't worry about your lines being straight during this step because they don't need to be perfect. Make sure to cure the nail once you're done with this step. Now it's time to add some chrome to give this nail a pop of color. We're using Aurora Blue to fully cover the nail, but since we're working over a larger surface, we are going to be using a bigger sponge. This will help the process go by much quicker. Even though we are using a larger sponge, make sure to only grab a little bit of chrome because a little bit truly does go a long way with our powders. Add a little bit of pressure as you're rubbing the chrome into the nail to make sure they get into the crevices of those lines. We're going to seal this design in now with a no-wipe top gel. After curing that top gel, you can really see how the chrome catches on to those raised lines for that beautiful mermaid-like effect, and that blue color is perfect for those vibes. So far, we've given you a glitter and a textured look, so now it's time to add some cat eye gel into the mix. So you can start with a black base and cure it. At this point, you don't need it to be chrome friendly, so any black gel that you have will do. After curing the black, we're going to apply a clear magnet gel to the entire nail. For this design, it is best to use a cat eye gel that has silver magnetic particles. After applying this, don't cure it just yet because it is magnetic, so we're going to be taking this Sweetie rod magnet and move up and down, pulling those particles to the center of the nail, creating an typical oval cat eye shape. Once you're happy with the placement of the particles, go ahead and cure it. Before we go in with our chrome powder, we need a surface that it can stick to. So we're going to apply a thin layer of a no-wipe top gel. and cure it, of course. Now we're taking Dashing Pink and rubbing this all over the nail with a larger sponge. This step is so exciting because as you rub that chrome in, you can see the pink shade, but you can also see those cat eye particles moving underneath it. To remove any excess chrome, we are going to switch to the clean side of the sponge and gently rub it across the nail to pick up any excess particles that may have been left behind. And now we can really see that cat eye peeking underneath the chrome. But we're not done just yet because we do need to seal this beautiful design in with a no wipe top gel and then cure it. For our last design, we're combining everything: cat eye, chrome, and glitter, but this time we're doing it in a French tip style. We're starting off by applying a black base. It doesn't need to be chrome friendly just yet, so any black gel will do. After curing, apply a silver cat eye gel to the entire nail, but don't cure just yet because we do need to grab our Sweetie rod magnet and move those particles to where we want them. We're moving our magnet up and down, and then we're going to push those particles to the base. This will make sure those magnetic particles aren't covered up by our French tip. After curing the magnetic gel, we are going to apply a thin layer of a no wipe top gel so the chrome can have something to stick to. Make sure to cure it once you're done, and then grab Blazing Coral. We're taking this beautiful shade and rubbing it all over the nail with an applicator sponge. As we rub in this orange chrome, you can really see those cat eye particles moving and sparkling underneath, and it is absolutely stunning. Next, we're creating that sparkly French tip with a gold glitter and the Sweetie Liner No. 1 brush. To create the French tip, swoop your liner brush from left to right to create an arch. Once you have your arch, fill in the empty space above the arch with that gold glitter liner. After the French tip is on the nail, cure it and seal the entire design in with a no wipe top gel, curing once you're done. And that's it, a sparkling gold French tip that truly feels multi-dimensional and out of this world. That was our last design, and we are so happy to have had the chance to share our chrome powder collection with you. So let us know in the comments which shade is your favorite. All the products used in this video will be linked in the description box down below. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do so because we wouldn't want you to miss any future videos or new releases. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.